With simple ingredients and an irresistible dressing, you'll be amazed at how easy this recipe is. To start, cut half a green cabbage into thin strips like this. Transfer them to a bowl. Add a pinch of salt. Add 140 grams of sweet corn. Mix well. Next, chop half an onion. Now take half a red bell pepper and chop it too. Add the bell pepper, onion, half a grated carrot, and 100 grams of raisins to the bowl. Stir to make the bowl nice and colorful. Great. Now let's prepare a quick dressing. You'll need 100 grams of mayonnaise, 100 grams of heavy cream, a tablespoon of mustard, a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Add a tablespoon of vinegar, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, and just half a tablespoon of sugar. Mix well until everything is incorporated. That looks perfect. Give the salad another good stir to make sure everything is well combined. Now for the dressing. Just mix it in thoroughly to coat everything evenly. And there you have it, our cabbage salad with a special dressing, perfect as a side dish or even a main course. The combination of textures and flavors, the crunchiness of the cabbage, the sweetness of the raisins, and the creaminess of the dressing, is what makes this salad stand out. Did you like this tip? Then give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical and delicious recipes like this one. Let us know in the comments if you'd make any tweaks and share what you thought. Thank you for watching and see you next time.